We've got the ultimate John Deere Gator here. It's an 865R. It's got aircon. It's got nice padded seats. It's very much different to your standard Gator. So if you really want something extra special, come and have a look at us about one of these today. So one of the big things at the moment is about using electric power. So John Deere, we've already put it into a compact tractor. We've got the 1RE series here. It's a fully electric tractor. Now you might be thinking, why don't John Deere put it into something like 200 horsepower tractor? But they've already worked it out. For a 12-hour day on a 200 horsepower tractor, that's 18 tons of batteries you have to carry around. So they are looking at that for the future. At the moment, let's put it in machines that works well. So this little 1RE hopefully will be coming soon next year. Don't just think John Deere have a huge range of agricultural tractors. Here at the show they've also got their 1 Series, 2 Series, 3 and 4 Series tractors with a range of attachments and implements. Again, we're big sellers of the compact tractors, so do come and ask us for some deals on these. So here we are with the 5090 GF tractor. So it's a speciality 5 Series tractor, and it's G because it's special, F for fruit. So we've got one of these available as a demonstrator. So if you're a fruit grower or if you're a vineyard as well, try one of these out today.